study engineering right after your 10th grade? You can. Most Indian students think that engineering starts after grade 12th. But let me tell you, there are pathways in Japan to start your engineering journey right after 10th grade. Yes, there is a program called COSEN, and through this program, you can start your engineering journey much earlier. In this video, I will explain everything for Indian students: eligibility, benefits, application process, timeline, and whether you can go to COSEN through MEXT or not. So, what is COSEN? COSEN basically stands for Colleges of Technology in Japan. It's a 5-year engineering diploma plus degree pathway designed for students after class 10. For Indian students, this means instead of 11th, 12th, and then BTech, you directly enter a structured engineering program. COSEN focuses heavily on practical skills, lab work, industry exposure. So let me tell you the eligibility for Indian students. If you are an Indian student, here is what you need. You need to complete your grade 10th. It can be from CBSE, ICSE, state board, any board is acceptable. Age should be between 15 to 17 years. You have to be very strong in mathematics and science and have good academic record. You must be willing to learn Japanese, and Japanese is not required initially if you are applying through MEX. But if you are not applying through MEX, in that case, the eligibility will be N3 to N2 level of Japanese. So let me run you through the total estimated annual cost for a COSEN student. So your total tuition per annum would be 2,34,600 yen. So which is approximately, I think, anything between 1 lakh to 1 lakh 20,000 rupees. Other than that, you have to pay for your dorm and meals and books and your commute, etc. So there will be other expenses. So you can expect in 1 year your expense will be anything between 6 lakh yen to 8 lakh yen, which is about 3.5 lakh rupees to 4.5 lakh rupees. This, mind you, is inclusive of your tuition fee and living expenses. Now this is much cheaper than most universities. In fact, this is half of what you would be paying at any university, unless we talk about national universities, of course. Now, what are the benefits? Why should you, as an Indian student, look at COSEN at all? If you are going through MEXT, of course, the option is fully funded. That is reason number one. There won't be any tuition fee. You will get a monthly stipend, and your flight tickets also will be covered. But what if you are not going through MEXT? Even then, you have other advantages, which is you will be starting your engineering career much sooner, right? And you will save about 2 to 3 years if you're comparing it to India. Practical learning, more labs, less theory. This is how COSENs work in Japan. This is one of the most common problems we see students find in their engineering colleges in India, that they are able to go through a lot of theoretical classes, but there is very less practical learning. And also, there will be industry ready skills. So, as soon as you finish your course, and you will be able to find an opportunity for yourself in the industry. Career opportunities in Japan are high for engineers, and there is a strong placement support for graduates from COSEN. Global exposure at early age, that is another advantage. So a student will live in an international environment, they will learn Japanese language, Japanese culture. So how can Indian students apply to COSEN? So pathway number one would be through MEC scholarship. This is the best option for students who do not know any Japanese. But repeatedly, we tell you that it's best to do two things. One is to start learning Japanese, and two, seek guidance as soon as possible, as early in your career as possible, because this is how we will be able to tell you about opportunities like this. If you're a student who doesn't know any Japanese, in that case, you can still go to COSEN through MEC scholarship. This is one of the options. And for this pathway, you will apply through Japanese Embassy in India. You will give a written exam, which will be for math, science, and English. You will attend interviews, and then there will be a final selection. You will be studying Japanese for one entire year since you don't know any Japanese. Second way for admissions is direct admission to COSEN, but that is possible only if you have the eligibility. Now, for this eligibility, you need to know at least N3 to N2 level of Japanese. Tuition fee will be self-funded, and let me tell you, the seats for Kosen can be very limited for international students. Kosen are high quality institutes, and they are often run by national institutes. They are run by the government. So, which is why there can be limited seats, and it's not a very common pathway for Indian students yet. But I encourage more and more students to start looking at such opportunities. This also requires strong preparation and planning. That is why it always helps to start early. Application timeline will be as follows. So for any Indian student who is planning, your timing will be very important. So April to May, which is about now, the next applications will open. And June, July will be written exams. July to August will be interviews. October to Jan, there will be final results. And then next year in April, there will be departure planned for students who are successful. So your preparation should be at least 6 to 8 months before the application starts. Kosen is not really easy to get into. You need very strong base in mathematics and science. You need consistent preparation, and also, you will be very young. You will probably be in 8th or 9th if you are getting interested in Kosen. So obviously you are young, and that is why it's very important to know your intentions and goals. Your intent must be very clear to study in Japan and to study engineering. If you're serious, then you can completely change your career path, because Kosen has very limited competition, and also this is one of the sure shot ways to succeed. Early exposure to both Japanese language and engineering skills in Japan. I mean, it's a very, very high in demand career for any student who wants to start early and gain practical skills and build a global career. Kosen is one of the best hidden opportunities in Japan. So don't wait and start learning Japanese now. Start preparing your basics. And if you're serious about Japan, don't forget to follow Education Japan for real guidance. Fill the counseling form link, it is in the description, and we will help you step by step. Thank you for watching the video, and stay connected.